I guess in regards to Pakohe, what was it that initially made you want to start working with it?
When I retired, I wanted to work in stone because everybody else was doing bone or wood.
Yeah.
I'm hopeless at wood, but so I decided on stone, and it wasn't until I came here.
To Nelson?
Yes.
Yeah.
I was working on a black stone up in Hamilton that I'd got from over on Thames, and it was good to work with, but I didn't do much with it until I came here. It was just before I came here that I actually got a saw and started to cut things, so it was here that I found Pakohe, the people. I made the pendants, the toki pendants were started, and the hooks, the mato. And then some of them were pretty rough.
Yeah.
Because I never had the tools. Once I worked out, good tools made good work, good product in the end. You need the tools, you need the gear. And when I was able to sell some stuff, and then each time I sold something, I bought some better gear. Yeah.
So just what's your next step? That's all the final product.
It's cutting it. The stone comes on it, you can see obvious there's cracks running through it that way. There's not much point cutting it across it. You know what I mean? I try and follow the line so that you get the best out of it. If you cut across it, then it's obviously going to be in short pieces. These are the basic tools, but they're all, the electric and diamond. This grinder with a disc with that on it, with a thing on it, from locally, the diamond discs to fit on it. They came in 3 days from Hong Kong.
Oh.
That does, see these things? Like making that, so I put the blade on when it's rough.
Yeah.
Here's one, see, it's just like that roughly, on the angle grinder. If you do this with it, with some, some water and stuff, you just hold it on there, it'll come down like that.
Oh, so then it will end up looking like one of these pieces?
Yeah, you just go like that and like that and like that, and you'll end up, and you just keep going until it's finer.
Yeah.
And then it's basically polished. I had a young boy from around the road around here. He wanted to make a patu, and we made it out of grey wacky, but he was knocking on my door at 8 o'clock in the morning.
Oh yeah, he was real keen.
Yeah, ready to go. Yeah, for 2 mornings. And I worked with him, but he did it over the 2 days.
Yeah.
I cut it, showed him how to do it, and he did all the rest by himself. I reckon if you worked 8 to 10 hours flat out, you could probably end up finished.
Yeah.
Probably, yeah. Towards the end of the year, to get a half a dozen Ngati Kuias men.
Yeah.
Or 3 or 4 men to come in and work over a couple of Saturdays or something towards the end of the year, just to go through the basics
awesome.
of working with stone, how I do.